Queen. Thanks for tuning in for another video. This one is on the top 5 best CVS deals starting next week for September 8th through the 14th. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you've already been subscribed with me, welcome back. So let's dive into the top 5 CVS deals. The first one is going to be on You by Kotex. So this one is buy any two, get a $2 extra buck. It's also buy one, get one half off. So really good deal there. And it's on any. So the cheapest one you can get is the liners. It's the 16 count. They are $1.79. So you're going to pick up 2. The second one's going to be just 85 cents. You're going to use a $2 off 2 tampon, liner, or You by Kotex CRT if you have it. If you do have that CRT, your final cost is 68 cents. You're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So your final cost is free plus a $1.31 moneymaker. If you do not have that CRT, it's still a great deal. Your final cost is going to be $2.68. You're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So your final cost is going to be just 68 cents for both packages. So still a really hot deal. The next deal is on Crest Scope mouthwash. This is the 1 liter mouthwash. So this is the large one. The deal is buy one, get a $2 extra buck. So you're going to buy one at $3.99. There is a $1 send to card coupon in the CVS app. So make sure you clip that before you go shopping. Final cost out of pocket is $2.99. You're going to get back that $2 extra buck, so it's going to be just 99 cents for the big 1 liter of mouthwash. So that's a really good deal there. Next deal is on the Tide Simply Pods. So it's not for the liquid, it's only for the pods. They are on sale next week, $2.94. I believe it's a 13 count for the pods. It's a yellow bag. We are supposed to be getting a $2 coupon in our inserts coming up this Sunday, September 8th. There's supposed to be 4 inserts, so it is a regional coupon, though, for the $2 off Tide Simply Pods. I'm in Florida. Typically, we don't get the P&G coupons for the Tide Pods, Downy, things like that. We have to go to brandsaver.com to print them. So depending on your region, we'll tell you if you're going to get that in your inserts. If you do, you apply that to this deal, final cost just 94 cents. And that is a really great deal for 13 of the Tide Simply Pods. The next deal is a makeup deal. It is on Almay. They are on sale this week. Buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 2 of the liquid makeup removers. They are $6.59 each. Last week at the Red Box, we got a $6 off Almay CRT, and we got a $4 off Almay CRT. So I didn't use them last week. I didn't really have a chance to go shopping. So you're going to use those. If you haven't used them yet, use them for this week. So you're going to wind up paying $3.18 out of pocket. You're going to get a $4 extra buck. So the final cost is free plus an 82-cent moneymaker. The last deal is on the Era laundry detergent. It is on sale for $1.99 next week, and it's for the 40-ounce bottle. So that's a really good deal in itself for being on sale. There is a 50-cent off coupon coming in this Sunday's Retail Me Not. So make sure you guys go out and get at least 1 newspaper. I'll be getting a couple. Final cost is going to be just $1.49 for the 40-ounce bottle. So that's a really, really good deal there. There is the P&G deal. It is spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. I'm waiting to see what additional CRTs I get when I go to the Red Box tomorrow morning. So stay tuned for those. I will have a couple different scenarios for breakdowns. There's a lot of different items included. There's a lot of hair care if you need any shampoos. The Tide Original Pods and liquid laundry detergent is in there. There's some trash bags, so on and so forth. So there's tons of different scenarios you can do. Stay tuned, and I'm going to wait for my CRTs. I'll get some breakdowns available, and I'll make sure I post it in my CVS haul. If there's anything that you need, drop a comment, let me know, and I'll make sure to include that in one of my scenarios for you guys. So that is all we have. It's definitely a better week this week than it was last week for both Walgreens and CVS. So make sure you check your CVS app, send all the coupons to your card that you think you're going to be using. That way they'll come off at the register. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you guys tomorrow for my in-store CVS haul.